Why does every game turn into the same thing? I open a game expecting fun, and somehow I'm doing chores. Collect this. Upgrade that. Wait 12 hours. Pay money or fall behind. When did games stop being games and start being jobs? Everything's a battle pass. Everything's a timer. Everything's trying to keep you stuck instead of entertained. And don't lie if you've logged in just to not miss a reward, and then close the game 5 minutes later. That's not fun. That's manipulation. And if you complain, people say, just don't play it. Okay, not when every game does it. Where do you go? Somewhere along the line, fun became a metric. Retention. Engagement. Daily active users. Nobody talks about enjoyment anymore. Games didn't get worse because players changed. They got worse because numbers mattered more than fun. And yeah, if you're still playing, because that's how it's designed. Like and subscribe if you relate.